Everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to share Robux in a group. First thing first, open Roblox and click on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Select groups, then tap create group. Fill in your group name, description, and emblem, and pay 100 Robux to create the group. Now, Roblox only allows groups to gain Robux through sales, so go to the Create tab at the top of the Roblox site, and in the top left drop-down menu, switch from your account to your group. Click Creation from the sidebar and select avatar items like t-shirts, shirts, or pants. Click Upload Asset and add an image, give it a name, then click Upload. After it uploads, find the item under Creations, then toggle On Sale, set a price, and click Save Changes. Now, click Put on Sale to confirm and buy your own item or have someone else do it. Robux will be added to your group funds after 3 days, due to pending sale period. Now, after the funds are available in the group, go to your group page and click the 3 dots at the top right and select Configure Group. In the sidebar, click Revenue, then Payouts. Choose between recurring payouts, which is scheduled, or one-time payout, which is manual. Click Add Payout Recipients and search, then add the username of the person you're donating to. Just click OK, enter the Roblox amount, and then click Distribute. The recipient must be a member of your group for at least 14 days before receiving Robux. Roblox takes a 30% cut of all sales, so adjust your item prices accordingly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.